In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a product from WooCommerce to Shopify using the POKY product importer. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple, practical way so you can move a product over accurately and make sure it looks right in your Shopify store when you're done. To begin, open your Shopify store and make sure you're logged into your admin dashboard. This is where the imported product will appear, and it's also where you'll be able to review and update anything after the transfer. Once you're inside Shopify, install the POKY product importer if you haven't already. After it's installed, open the app so it's ready to use. Next, go to the WooCommerce product you want to transfer. Open the product page carefully and confirm that it's the exact item you want to import. This is important because the product URL you copy will tell POKY which listing to bring into Shopify. Once you're on the correct product page, copy the full product URL from your browser's address bar. Now return to POKY in Shopify and paste that WooCommerce URL into the importer field. Take a quick second to make sure the link was pasted correctly, with no missing characters or extra spaces. Then start the product import. At this stage, POKY will begin pulling the product details from the WooCommerce page and preparing them for Shopify. When the import is complete, review everything carefully before saving. Pay close attention to the product title, description, images, variants, and pricing. These are the details most likely to affect how the product appears to customers, so it's worth checking each section thoroughly. Make sure the title reads clearly, the description is complete, the images are loading properly, and any variants such as size, color, or style are matched correctly. Also confirm that the pricing transferred as expected. If anything did not transfer correctly, edit it now. This is your chance to clean up formatting, fix missing details, or correct any information that looks off. Taking a moment here can help prevent issues later on and makes the product page look more professional. Once everything looks right, save or publish the product in Shopify, depending on whether you want it live immediately or not. Finally, open the Shopify product page itself and confirm that everything displays correctly on the live product listing. Check the layout, images, pricing, and selectable options one more time so you know the imported product is ready for customers.